Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner, either by sharing information or by giving the tarot card messages. So, this is your general love reading for the month of December 2021, but please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. I have already uploaded your general reading and also the star seed reading. So if you wish to look at that, you can have a look on that too. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the beautiful energies and the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius, the magic beings all over the world. So before starting your reading, I'm going to give you some kind of messages which I received while doing the meditation for you. First message I received is Hermit. Right now, Aquarius, you are in a hermit mode. You are looking the answers, you are searching the answers from within yourself, within your soul, that what my soul wants. Okay, and that's beautiful. You must be working on yourself. You are looking the answers from within yourself. The first message is this. The second message I received here is strength. You have to keep your strength. Okay, keep your strength here, Aquarius. Do not lose hope and keep your strength, courage with you. Okay, some of you can be dealing with a Leo, but you have to keep your strength. Okay, keep your strength here. And third message which I received was the infinity. Maybe you can see lot of infinity signs these days. Okay, and you are rising as a star here. Okay, 1 minute, I need to take out here. No, maybe you are feeling like an hangman and you are in a hermit mode right now, and you are rising as a star. This is your energy. This is new hopes, new desires which are coming up for your love life, and this is the healing which is coming up here. Okay, next is this is Six of Cups. This is someone which is coming back in your life. Okay, Six of Cups is also a soulmate card. Okay, so someone from your past is coming back here. This is a soulmate which is coming back here, with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, maybe some of you have not met this person in this lifetime and this is the first time you are meeting, but Six of Cups is someone who is coming back from your past lives. Okay, and maybe in another case, this is someone which is coming up again for you in this current lifetime. Okay, maybe you have already met this person, but this is someone which is coming back in your life. The Six of Cups is here. Then I am getting Ace of Swords here. Ace of Swords from 3 decks here. There is a clarity, the truth which is coming up for you. Okay, you are requiring some kind of truth. You are searching out, you want clarity, you want answer, you want truth, and the truth is coming up here. Okay, then there is Ace of Coins. This is Ace of Pentacles here. So there is some kind of stable committed offer which is coming up for you. Okay, Ace of Swords and Ace of Pentacle is here. So maybe this person is going to give you a commitment or a stable commitment, a relationship or something, a gift which you can touch. Okay, something which is solid here. So this is a new beginning. Okay, something a solid, stable is going to start here in your relationship. Okay, then there is Fool energy. Okay, take a leap of faith and be a fool here, Aquarius. Okay, the Fool energy is here. Okay, 1 minute, I need to see here. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. So the Fool energy is here. So the 0444 is a recording readings time. You have to take a leap of faith that everything is happening according to the divine plan. Be the fool and move in a forward direction. Then there is Sun. So this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Okay, so this is the new happiest beginning which is coming up for you in your love life. Someone is coming at towards you at a very high speed. Okay, they are rushing here, they are coming here. Okay, Knight of Swords energy is here, so they are coming at a very high speed, and this can be an air sign or a water sign. That can be also a possibility, but someone is coming towards you, okay, at a very high speed, and they are coming to give you an apology, a sorry. Okay, there is an apology, a sorry, a small message which is coming up from this person, but they're coming at a very high speed, they're rushing towards you. Okay. But then there was conflicts with this person with the 5 of swords. There is 5 of cups, 5 of swords, and 3 of swords here. Okay, there is definitely conflicts which was there. Okay, 5 of swords and 3 of swords. So maybe there was a third party situation, there was a lot of fighting, drama, argument with this person, competition. Okay, third party can be anyone. Third party can be work, third party can be any kind of addiction, any other relation, family, friends, job, career. Third party can be anyone, but there was some kind of third party. Because of that, there was a lot of fighting, drama, competition between you and this person. Okay, and you are releasing a lot of burdens on your shoulders. The 10 of wands energy is also here, so you are closing out a cycle. That's why the world card is here. You are ending the cycle and you're starting a new beginning. This is the closing out of cycle which is happening for you here. And this person is the lovers here, so I'm getting the lovers, but there is 5 of cups energy too, so do not focus on the fallen cups here, Aquarius. Okay, 5 of cups energy is also here, so maybe you are feeling very sad, remorse, guilt on all those things which has already happened in the past. Maybe you're focusing on the past too much. 0707 here, but you do not know that this situation is helping you out to grow, to complete the cycle. There is no 11 in the tarot deck, so you are closing out a cycle here. And this is the lovers here. Okay, the lovers is here, so the lovers is here, so this is your love. Okay, so now let's start your reading and let's see. So this is the messages, these are the messages which I received while doing the meditation. Now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for you. The beautiful messages: the sun is coming, you have to take a leap of faith. Okay, there is some kind of stable committed offer which is coming towards you. There is clarity which is coming up for you here. Right now you are in a hermit mode. Keep your strength, do not lose hope, and you're rising as a star. Okay, and you're going to come towards the calmer waters here. You're going to get success. There is 666 here, 6 of pentacles, 6 of wands, and 6 of swords. You're going to come towards the calmer waters. There is success, recognition, victory which is coming up for you, and this is death and rebirth. So whatever was happening in the past, the third party, the fighting, the drama, the competition, that is going to end here between you and this person. Okay, so let's start your reading, Aquarius, and let's see what are the messages here. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important and beautiful messages for my Aquarius for the month of December, for their love life 2021. 10 of Pentacles is also here, so you are going to build abundance of everything, because abundance of everything is 10 of Pentacles here. Okay, so let's see. 2 of Cups, you both love each other. Okay, so you both love each other, and definitely you are releasing all the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulders here. Please give me the messages which are important to deliver here for my Aquarius. 9 of Cups, Empress. What are the messages? 6 of Wands. What are the messages for Aquarius December 2021? 7 of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. Please give me the messages. See, 10 of Wands again. Okay, what is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me the message. Judgment. Ace of Cups. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Swords. Wow. Ace of Swords and Ace of Pentacles again. Okay. So you are the wish fulfillment for them, Aquarius. They see you as someone who is an empress, who is very nurturing, caring, motherly figure. You are the wish fulfillment for them, and you're going to get success, recognition, victory. Maybe right now you are worried about your love life. See, that's why the completion is happening. There is 10 of Swords and 10 of Wands, both are here. Maybe you can see 10 number synchronicities these days. You are closing out a cycle which you need to complete. You are closing out. Maybe you are not in a mood. See, your King of Swords, the King of Swords mode is on. So this King of Swords is someone who cuts immediately. You are not emotionally available basically, because you are going through with lot of pain and the burdens because of this person. That's why you are not in a mood to accept this relationship, and you already know the truth. You are right now in the energy of King of Swords. Okay, there is death and rebirth. The transformation is taking place, and again the 10 of Pentacles is here. Okay, any other message? No, any other message? Okay, 8 of Pentacles. Please give me the messages. Okay, so this person is someone with whom you are having lot of fighting, drama, competition with the 5 of Wands. There is Queen of Cups, and you want equal amount of give and take, and maybe this person is not giving you equal amount of give and take. Okay, yeah, right now you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. You're taking care of yourself, you're doing your inner work, you are working on yourself here. Okay, you want equal amount of give and take, and there is a confusion here. 1221 is a recording reading time. Maybe you do not have the clarity whether this person is going to give you a commitment or a heartbreak again, or they put you in a third party situation. That's the confusion you are having, because in the past this person break your heart, they did not give you a commitment here, and that's why you are having a confusion that whether this person is going to give you a commitment or a heartbreak again. But there is a communication which is coming here, Aquarius, with the 8 of Wands. Okay, there is a communication, and this is your divine pair. Okay, I can say that they are coming. Knight of Cups, they are coming with a love offer here. Knight of Cups, 1313 is a recording reading time. Bottom of the deck, again the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. The luck is on your side. They are coming here with a love here. There is 3 of Cups and the 7 of Cups. So maybe this person is having lot of confusion because of lot of options to choose. This person has lot of options to choose. Okay, maybe there was a third party situation involved in the situation. Okay, they are having confusion too, because they were having lot of options to choose. 7 of Cups here, and they were unable to make a decision. That's why they are coming towards you with a sorry, with the apology here, and your guards are up. Okay, you are in your self defensive mode. This is your Lovers. The Lovers is here. You're not ready to accept the cup from your Emperor. You're not accepting the cup. You're not in a mood to accept the cup. You are very much angry here, Aquarius. I can feel the angry energy here, but things are going to change. Things are going to change. There is a Tower which is going to come here in your life. This is the divine intervention, sudden changes which are coming. You are not in a mood to accept the cup from this person. You are having lot of anger, sadness, but do not worry. You're closing out a cycle. Okay, any other message? Yeah, I told you, they are coming here. They are rushing here. See, Knight of Swords, they're coming at a very high speed. Okay, towards you, but you are focusing on the past. I told you, do not be focusing on the past. The Five of Cups, you're not feeling happy at all, Aquarius. You're feeling sad, remorse on all those things which has already happened in the past, but focus on the new hopes, new desires, healing. Okay, do not focus on the fallen cups, those things which has already happened in the past. You are just completing a cycle here. See, Ace of Swords is here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Wands. Okay, you're going to get the clarity that why this person break your heart, why they put you in a third party situation. Maybe you have a lot of questions that why they break your heart, why they put you in a third party situation. The answer, the clarity is coming here. You are not you are look, you want answers basically, Aquarius, and the answers are coming up for you. Yeah, Ace of Wands. All aces are here. Ace of Wands, Ace. What is happening here? Ace of Wands. This is a new passionate beginning which is going to start between you and this person. But you are holding back from this person. You are holding back from this person. You're not ready to open up. And can you see? There is new passionate beginning which is starting here between you and this person. Okay. Right now you are in a hangman, but they're coming towards you with an apology, with a sorry, with saying that I'm sorry, Aquarius. And because this person left you out and cold with the Five of Pentacles, and because of this person you feel restricted, stuck, you were unable to move in a forward direction. But sometimes when we overthink also here, Aquarius, that happens. This person is coming towards you to create happy family, happy life. 10 of Cups or Four of Wands and 10 of Cups. So maybe this person is your soulmate, or this is your twin flame, or you are already married with this person, or you're already married and having a child, or you were in a relationship 17 as a recording reading time, or you were having a committed relationship with this person and having a child with this relationship, or you want to create a happy family with this person here. Any other message? Okay, so maybe this is someone with who is a player kind of energy with the Knight of Wands, and you are saying that no, my guards are up and I don't want any player kind red flags in my life. I don't want instability. I do not want heartbreaks. I am protecting my energy. So that's why your guards are up. Okay, so this is what I can see here, Aquarius, but this person is coming towards you to give you the clarity. Okay, they are coming. They are coming. Okay, so let's see what is the advice. This relation is making you the spiritual growth. You are growing on a soul level, Aquarius. Okay, you are growing on a soul level. See the picture from a higher perspective. Okay, see in the house 9, spiritual growth. So this relationship is helping you out in your spiritual growth. This person or this relationship is helping you to grow on a soul level, I can say. Okay, move forward and defend self. Mars energy is here. So Mars is all about fire. Okay, see Scorpio is here and Sagittarius is here. So maybe you can dealing with the fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you can be dealing with the water sign Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. And both energies are, these energies are helping you out in your spiritual growth. Okay, they are helping you out to removing, to renewing, to for purging, for death and rebirth, intensity by exposing you. And Scorpio is all about death and rebirth, the transformation. Okay, so they are helping you out in this way, and by moving in a forward direction, by optimism, exploration and freedom of your own soul. Think, learn, network and communicate. Mercury energy is here. So can you see there is a butterfly here? So they are helping you out to grow basically here, Aquarius. And can you see there is a snake here. This is the Kundalini rising. Scorpio butterfly is here. So this is the transformation, the death and rebirth energy, which is helping you out in growing. Okay, this is the Scorpio energy. They are helping you out to grow on a spiritual level. Okay, so forgive them and say thank you, because of you are becoming butterfly. Okay. So that was the reading. Let's see one message from Whispers of Love. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Get to know each other. Okay, learn to meet another need for the love. Number 44. Maybe you can see 444, 44 or 404. So you need to get to know each other. Okay, learn to meet one another need also. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. Let me add messages from the oracles. There is definitely new happy beginnings which are coming up for you. If there was confusion, if there was a third party situation, but that situation is going to end. The completion is coming. The World card is here. Okay, you are manifesting it. The Magician, the Temperance. Right now you have to keep the patience here, Aquarius. Okay, keep the patience, keep your strength. You are definitely in a hermit mode. Hermit is here and Hangman is here. You do not know what to do, but keep your patience. Okay, there is a judgment which is coming up, or you have to make some kind of judgment. See, I told you the Tower is coming. This is the divine intervention which is coming up, and divine intervention is always good. The strength, keep your strength, confidence, temperance. Move in a forward direction. Fool and the, can you see? Wow, the Lovers. Take a leap of faith in your love life, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction. Okay, this is the divine intervention. When we have to make the necessary changes in our life and we do not do that, then divine has to intervene in our situation so that we can make that changes. Okay, so this is the Sun and the Devil and the Sun. So whatever toxicity was attached with this relationship, that is going to end. This is the new happy beginning which is coming up for you. So just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction here, Aquarius. Okay, see the Wheel of Fortune. The luck is on your side. Okay, so that's the message from the oracles. Thank you, oracles, for giving the message. Now let me add one message from the self-care. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Some of you, you're going to travel somewhere. Maybe you're going to plan a trip, or this person wants to plan a trip with you. That can also be a possibility. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Make a meal, Aquarius. Intuition. Follow your intuitions. Okay. Beauty ritual. Go to the parlor. Spend time with animals. First, wait, I need to get all the messages first. Create art. Okay. So you have to create art here and make a meal. If you can, if you know how to cook a food, and I know everyone knows how to cook a food, whatever you can cook or make a meal, you have to make a meal and create art, do the painting, the coloring. Okay, then there is spend some time with animals. Okay, spend some time with animals, spend some time with nature here. Follow your intuitions. Your intuition is guiding you, so listen to the intuitions here. And this is beauty ritual. Go to the parlor, color your nails, do the makeup or the facial or the coloring of the hair or coloring of yourself. So do the beauty ritual here. Okay, thank you. Now let me add one message from the Krishna consciousness guidance card. There is a divine blessing which is coming up here. See, can you see death and rebirth? Definitely this relationship is going to transform. The transformation is taking place here. Death and rebirth, transformation is taking place here. Every situation, painful or joyous, is well written for us. See it as observer and not as participant. Focus on totality of your eternal journey. Treat joy and sorrow in the same way. Death and a new beginning. This is a death, rebirth, transformation, a new beginning which is coming up for you for your love life, Aquarius. Okay, so that's beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from your heart. I release all burdens and expectations of love. I am free to choose with confidence. You can take a screenshot of this message, and this is very beautiful message which is exactly what your reading is. I release all burdens and expectations of love. I am free to choose with confidence. Okay, so that was your reading, Aquarius, and I love it. So I hope it will help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius who are watching my video. Take care of yourself. And if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to that channel. And you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.